So Johar Samku. So Adi Swayam from school exhibition, which is science exhibition. So we are one of the exhibition lagi. So simple बहुत बढ़िया innovation करी चीज़ जेंटा कि आपण ये blog रे देखी पारबे समस्ते. तो चलो जीवा. से innovation काना करी थला तर school रे काना इतला इट सब आमी blog रे देखमा. The science exhibition of Abhigyan and his friends. And he has done a great job along with his friends. So this is a science exhibition of Swayam School, which is St. John School, and this is the exhibition. This is Abhigyan, and I'm really proud of him. बहुत ही proud moment कथा है कि स्वयं आदि तार exhibition रे निजे उटे project बने किरी science रा उटे innovation mini air cooler project आदि presentation करला the school रे, and as a parent I'm really proud of him. Me and his mom and his grandmother, everyone came here to visit him, and बहुत ही बढ़िया लगला. Proud of you, Swayam. Proud of you. This is okay. Let's go, guys. Okay, so here is Abhigyan. Guys, today is actually the science exhibition day of Abhigyan, and he's very excited. So we are going to the exhibition.
This is a mini cooler. This is a model of a mini cooler. It has mist maker inside of it, which produces this air. And this is the fan that is connected to the battery, and this holds it in the air. It is powered by the switch. If you turn this off, it goes like this, and it goes like this. Here, the evaporative cooling principle is applied. So, when the evaporative cooling principle is applied,
Okay.
the mist is coming out of the air and it will cool. So, if there is a hot humid climate, we cool ourselves by this because it is hot. If I make a big one, then it will cool the reflection. So, I hope you like my presentation.
Okay, that's great. So how does this work? Like, this is even does it work as an actual cooler, or is it something like?
No, it's
a dummy.
Of it.
Okay.
Because actual coolers actually have bigger and powerful motors, but this has small motors. Like I have to change the battery once, you can see. It's not.
Okay, this is the battery which is used, and what is the capacity of this battery?
It's 9 volt, and this is all 12 volt.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's great. Okay, Abhigyan, very good. And so, are you sure that? I mean, are you determined that you are going to make this as a real innovation?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is a project which is made by Abhigyan Kar, which is a mini cooler concept. And
It's like this, and then
yeah. So this is the mechanism which is being used, and this is what he has explained the procedure. This mini air cooler, right?
So what the advantages of it are, it takes low power to be activated, it's portable and eco-friendly, you can take it anywhere, then it demonstrates practical physics concept, and it's fun and cheap.
Okay, that means this is going to be one mini air cooler which
Yeah.
is in budget,
Yes.
and it can be made as real so that people can actually buy it, right? Great innovation.
Thank you.
Great, Abhigyan. So well done and good job.
Why? The name of our project is generating electricity from the mechanical energy. Our topic is pumped energy.
So now that I'm with Abhigyan, I'm with Swayam, and he has just completed his science project, and it feels great. He has done an innovation project, and so that's a great. What?
Where's my mom?
So Abhigyan, the project was great and everybody appreciated, right? And I'm really proud of you that you have done that innovation. So proud of you, Abhigyan. Great. This is a science exhibition of exhibition these kids have made, and this is really amazing. Like, these kids are really creative and very talented. Oh, they are even controlling it from the phone, you can see. Amazing, amazing. So you can see this is like a tiny little robot, and let's guys. What's your name, guys?
Swamjit.
Arush.
Your name is Arush, right? And you are in?
88.
Okay.
Standard 8.
And children, please pay attention. Here Abhigyan Kar wants to dedicate a song to his mom, and today it's a special day, and today is her mom's birthday. So he wants to dedicate a song to his mom, and the name of the song is
Happy birthday, sir. Any birthday song.
Happy Birthday Song.
Hi, any will do. You also sing, na? Okay, let's go to mom. Let's go to mom. Thank you.
Happy birthday, madam.
Happy birthday. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, that was close, but nevertheless, good, good. So, how do you like it? Guys, as you can see, this is the game section, and we are here. And Swim just played the dart, which you can see in this vlog. And Wiz, the winner! Great, Avigyan, come here. So now we are going for the food section, and you can see like Avigyan.
Yes,
Very hungry right now.
wants to dedicate a song.
But
to
I ate a
his
croissant. I ate a croissant and I ate a chupa chups.
Okay.
Oh, okay. कैसे हुआ? Wow, nice. कैसे हुआ? क्या हुआ भाई?
You will
कैसे क्या हुआ?
definitely get, but you
कैसे
for
क्या
that you
हुआ?
have to study a lot.
See that we have reached the food section here, and Swam is buying the tickets for the food. Okay, Swam, what do you want to eat?
I'm gonna eat gobi Manchurian and I'm going to buy something for you.
Okay.
Bring mom.
Okay, guys. So Swam finally got the tickets for the food.
I didn't get from my rupees, and somebody's money was lying on the ground.
No, it's not that. So we are going for the food section right now, and Swam
Oh my
will.
God, it's crowded, like crowded.
It's covered like crazy.
Yeah.
Where is the food shop? Swam is queuing up in line, and okay, we'll have to take something else, right? Khatam ho gaya? नहीं
पकड़ो तो टिकट।
As you can see, today was the science exhibition. So guys, really excited today, and he has done his exhibition, and he has done an innovation which we are going to see in this vlog. So this is his science exhibition vlog, right? It is our science exhibition vlog है, तो बहुत बढ़िया innovation करी just अजय विज्ञान स्वयं. So very good बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया innovation कर लो. So keep watching guys, keep watching. जय मां सभी जोहार. हमसे देखिए ब्लॉग क्या बताबे कितना लगता है innovation. तर स्कूल रे हमें exhibition करके पास. Alright, चलो ठीक है फिर. See you. We are coming out of the school after finishing his exhibition. So it's great, right? How was the experience?
It was really nice. The food was really good. Everything was good.
Okay, great. Finally, I'm at